you have a developmental experience early in the first month or second month of life where your stress response system, among other things, is dysregulated, then you're put into an environment where there's safety, predictability, nurturing, love, and everything. That dysregulated stress response gets in the way of the developing child benefiting from all the good things that are being offered. So even though they're no longer in that toxic environment, the impact that had on systems in their brain has these echoes. As children get older, sometimes those echoes grow. Part of what we would run into is that we take kids that were struggling. They'd bring them into the clinic and they'd say, oh, this child has attention problems. They can't make friends. They have these meltdowns whenever they're told no. And the more the families misunderstand that, the further the divergence is between what you expect the child to do and what they're capable of doing. When that gap gets big enough, we start to pathologize.